What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you different website or platform that it is very essential if you are online entrepreneur. It is very essential and important. This website will help you to scale your work and save more of your time, and help you do what you really need to start doing in hours. This website will do it for you in seconds, and I will share with you 6 different websites that will help you to scale up your online marketing goal or everything you need to do online and make it faster, do some things easily and fast. If you are a professional online entrepreneur that want to scale more, at the same time you want to also spare some times for other things, then you really need to work on this website. You really need to focus on this website and make use of this website that I want to share with you right now. The first website I want to share with you is called Get Response. I will show you all these websites. I will mention the name, the website, the URL, and I will also share with you the benefits of having or using this website or AI. So I will share with you like this Get Response. It is fantastic and it is very powerful, simplified to send bulk emails, create pages, and automate your marketing. Wow. Can you see the benefit of this website Get Response? It will help you to send email. You can also build a website with this platform. You can also automate your marketing, create e-commerce marketing as well, create e-commerce website, and so on and so forth. It is a great platform that help you to get your business online. A suite of free marketing tools designed to get your business online and fuel it with a stream of new leads. Can you imagine? If you need a unique and easily converted lead, then you have to use this website. If you want to grow audience, find new customers, and build your email list with lead generation tools that turn anonymous connection into loyal fans, then you really need to use this website called Get Response. It will also help you to engage with customers. Stay in touch with your customers and potential clients with targeted online communication that converts. Boost online sales, market your e-commerce business, and deliver experiences that convert store visitors into returning customers. This website is really awesome. You can use it to create multiple tasks at once. Can you see all this platform? You'll be able to create sales for email marketing, website builder, paid ad, pop-up forms, auto responders, marketing automation, website tracking, live and on-demand webinar, transactional email, dedicated support. Wow. Can you see all over 23 more features to run your campaign? This website is a gigantic website that you need to have if you are an entrepreneur. Or you want to grow fast in the online space, then you really need to embark on this website. This website, we have the free plan and we also have the paid plan, and the paid plan are very affordable. It is very cheap and affordable. Anybody can pay for this. Imagine getting this for $13 monthly, and you can still also use the free plan forever, and you can upgrade later, maybe when you earn more or when you have the chance, then you go upgrade later so that you can enjoy more premium bonuses from this platform. So can you see how easy this is? And if you sign up with the link in the description of this video, you also have access to 30 days free use of the pro plan. How amazing is that? You will also have access to use the pro plan for free for the next 30 days. So make sure you use the link in the description of this video to get yours right now. So let's view the full pricing. So can you see, as a starter, you have access to up to 500 contacts, and this is for free. You are using this for free without paying any dime, and you can also buy this email marketing with 1000 contacts for $15 per month. Can you see how cheaper this is? And it is very awesome. It's very awesome and legit that you can do. Sign up for free, and if you want to buy immediately, you can just click on buy now. Then you have access to the premium version of what to buy on the platform. So before I tell you the second website, make sure you subscribe on this channel. If you are new to this channel, I make videos around making money online and how to build a profitable business online. Videos on this channel will help you to grow more online and help you to scale your business online. So that's why you have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video. My name over 200 likes on this video. Please, let's get it done. Just like this video. If you are watching this video, please make sure you like this video and share this video to your friends. Share this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel. So the next website I want to show you right now is called system.io. This website also, I like it very much because you can use it to create blog, you can use it to create website, you can do a lot of things with this website, and it's also free. It has the paid version and it also have the free version. You can use the free version also forever without inputting cards. You can use it without inputting any card. You can sign up with the platform and start using it for free without paying any dime initially. So you think of upgrading, then you can upgrade, then you can upgrade to what you have. Let's see what this website is for. So you can create sales funnel. You can create sales funnel with this website. I don't want to start reading. You can send email. You can send email market. You can do email marketing. You can build website. So can you see how you can also manage your affiliate? You can also create affiliate system on this website with this on this platform too. So that maybe you have a course on this platform or you are selling a course, you can create a special link for people to sell your courses and they will automatically get paid directly. Everything you can do it on this website. You can create online courses with this website. You can also automate your marketing. Oh, imagine instead of creating website from scratch and taking a lot of time, taking a lot of stress, or still thinking of how to code anything, some stressful thing. So you can just use this website easily and get what you need and make your cool money, save your time. Because if you want to make money in this century, you have to learn how to save a lot of time. You want to save a lot of time. So that's why I'm sharing you this video. So make sure you share this video. Please share this video. Let this video help another people too. Share this video, like this video, and comment in the comment section of this video. Let me see if you are interested in this video. And to sign up to this website, make sure you use the link in the description box of this video so that you don't miss the bonus you should have if you are signing up with this website, because you may be given a discount if you are signing up. So that is why you have to use the link in the description of this video. So you can create build sales for email marketing, affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth on this platform. So that is why you have to sign up on this platform too if you really want to scale your online marketing game. So you have to use this website I'm sharing with you right now. So the third one I want to share with you is called Quillbot, Quillbot. This website is a very wonderful website because you don't need to create content from scratch with this website. You can just copy other people's content and paste it on this website. This website will help you to rephrase the structure. We help you to rephrase the structure of the written words and give you a new and complete write-up that will be personally created or written by you. So you don't really need to stress yourself writing content from beginning to the end. So let me use this as an example. So let me type with loss. I just want to take any article from one of the websites that I see. So when I take the article, I just want to rephrase the article with the website I just shared with you right now. So let me just copy this, and I want to show you practically how you can use the website. So I will copy this, assuming I saw this write-up now and I want to make something that is like close to this write-up. You don't really need to go and start from scratch and creating yours. All you have to do is just to copy and go to the website called Quillbot, and it is free. It is free to start. You don't need to pay to start unless you want to upgrade. So where is it? Yes, Quillbot. Okay, so all you have to do is just to paste the text. So you paste the text, then you click on paraphrase. This is a free version. I'm using the free version to do this video right now. So you can put it on this fluency or you use the standard. So depending on what you want, as long as you want to use standard, you select standard and you choose paraphrase. When you click on paraphrase, can you see we have how to naturally lose weight fast, science backing way to lose weight takeaway. So let's see what we are having here. How to quickly reduce weight organically, scientifically proven method for weight loss. Can you see it is the same meaning, but we're having the same structure of sentence. So that is the help of this website. So instead of you copying other people's content from scratch and getting banned, especially if you're a blogger or you are into any content creation, so this website will help you to save more of your time. Just copy other people's content and paraphrase it with this website. Then you change some things with this website and you are good to go, instead of sitting down and creating your complete content from scratch. So can you see, this website will save you a lot of time. And also upgrade to the premium version. It is good, upgrade to the premium version if you like that. It is very cheap, and very affordable. So, and you also have access to all the premium version when you sign up to the upgrade version of this website. With this website only, you can make a lot of money with this website too. I have some videos. If you want me to do videos on how to make money with this simple trick I just teach you now, just let me know in the comment section of this video. I want to make money with Qbot. I will do a video on how to make money with this website. I will do a video for you only, for only those who let me know in the comment section of this video. So if you are interested in that, please let me know in the comment section of this video so that I can do the video. So the next website I want to share with you is called copy.ai. Copy.ai is very similar to Quillbot, but the difference between Quillbot and Copy.ai is that this Copy.ai, it will generate a new content, it will create a new content for you. You don't really need to copy other people's content and paste and rephrase. No, you don't really need to do that on this website. It will help you to create a different content for you, and this website is also good. It will help you to write copies like email marketing copies, product copies, blog content, digital hard copy, e-commerce copy, sales copy, social media content, website copy, and so on and so forth. So you don't really need to stress yourself writing content, writing emails, writing copies from the beginning to the end. With this website, you will get ideas. All you have to do is just to put the title of what you need. Then this website will generate what you need for you. You can use as an example here. What are you looking to create? Just write what you are looking to create, and also put point or put what that is really close to what you want to write about. Then this website will generate a good copy for you, in a second. So that's why you have to embark on this website too. You can start for free too, and it also have a premium version. So to sign up too, you can use the link in the description of this video so you don't miss the discount you should get. So the next website I want to share with you is called duplichecker.com. Duplichecker.com is a plagiarism checker website. Can you see, this website will help you to make your own content unique. You'll be able to verify if the content you are posting, the content you want to post online, has not been written by someone else before. This website will really help you if you're a blogger, because you easily verify with this website if your content has been online before. If you want your website or your content to rank more online, then you need to write what other people have written. So you want to make sure everything you put down on your blog must be different to what other people's on that platform online has written. So this website will help you to verify that. So that's why you have to embark on this website to have the premium version, but the free version is still cool. I use the free version, so this free version is still cool for me. So you can just use the free tool and you are good to go. So the third website I want to share with you is called Canva. Canva is an amazing website, amazing platform that has helped a lot of business to create easy design, flyers, logos, and the likes. And they can create a lot of things with this platform. You can create logo, flyer, banner, poster, resume, invitation, video, intro video, and so on and so forth. You can even create PDF editor websites with this platform too. You can create websites with Canva. Exactly, you can create a lot of things with this platform. It is very good and very gigantic, and you can start for free. You can sign up for free. You don't really need to pay. It also have a premium version. If you want to upgrade to premium version, that premium version will give you access to everything on the platform. So, and it is cheap and it is also affordable. You can still get that too. If you want to sign up to this website, either free or paid version, make sure you use the link in the description box of this video so that you have access to the discount. So make sure you use the link. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my coming videos. See you in the next video.